tabletop here, the underside of it, with our sticker showing that that is the front of the table. And now we have to locate the pre-dent indents on the bottom of the table that show where we're going to attach the side panels. So as you can see, this is a indent, and here is another indent. So these indents are located around the perimeter of the table. There's another one, and there's another one, and there are some in the dead center of the table here, and you'll need to locate all of them in order to put the aprons on and the drawer slide. We also attach a diagram of where those holes are located on the bottom of the table, just to help assist in locating all of them.